My name is Miles, and this is Make with Miles Maker Mondays. In this series, I'm going to be asking makers 3 different questions. What's your favorite tool? What's the first thing that you made? And what's one piece of advice for young makers? Let's go.
Ooh. So my favorite tool is my hot glue gun, and I use it for everything. I love it because it's intuitive, it's easy to use, and it's actually not permanent. It can hold really well, but a little dab of rubbing alcohol will pop it right off. So if I make a mistake, I can always go back. The first thing I remember making is, I think I must have been in like 3rd or 4th grade, and it was Father's Day, and we made Father's Day presents in school, and the project was to make a necktie for your dad, and we made them out of clay. One piece of advice I would give to makers who want to make things is just start. The hardest thing for me is starting a project, because I start to think of questions like, how am I going to make this, and what am I going to make it out of, and what is it going to be, and is this a good idea? Am I going to fail at this? And really those questions are unimportant. If you just start, you will figure all of those things out on the way there.